Okay, going into Halloween Horror Nights.
I bought them.
Alright, so this is still getting into CityWalk here. We got a little while until we get into Horror Nights, so we're just gonna let y'all come with us, do some CityWalk stuff, and then I'll be able to do live. We're doing live through the little thing called Scare Zone. There we go. I haven't been here in a while, 2 years. We used to come by 2-3 times a year. We'll probably start doing that again. Especially once we start making some money on this here YouTube venture. But anyway, I appreciate all y'all for watching. It's outside at CityWalk right now. Did a couple lives earlier. Now I'm just filming some regular stuff while we wait to go in for the Halloween Horror Nights. There's my wife. There's some remnants of Rip Ride Rocket. What's left? It's not much. Well, they're taking that thing down quick. Alright guys, we're at Halloween Horror Nights. We're about to go to Galkin, or however you say that. Anyway, we've been live a couple times on YouTube and TikTok. Fallout's right next to it. This said 50-minute wait, but it hasn't even been that long. It's been like 20 minutes maybe. Yeah, the lines are moving. But this is a Wednesday. So I had to get into both of them. So, I will say, the alcohol that they sell here is good. Because I've been scared out of my mind, out of a couple houses. We went to Graves of the Flesh and Five Nights at Freddy's. Five Nights at Freddy's was fun. That was a good one. Still kind of scary. They had a lot of misdirections in that house. Like, look this way, and then bam, something jumps out of the wall. Graves of the Flesh, that was just scary. The Graves of the Flesh was crazy. I was like, damn. We got out of there. The lady just came out of somewhere and started like freaking me out. It was pretty crazy. Anyway guys, if you want, just catch us on TikTok live. I'll go live there in about 20-30 minutes. See you soon.